Check out what I bought.
Yo, that's so cool. Wait, how'd you even convince your mom to go? I thought you were grounded.
I just told her I wouldn't fail any test this month. But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests.
I am such a loser. Help me at least to wash your hand first.
What? You scared of G?
Morning, boys.
Hey. Morning. Hey, what you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this? This is this.
That doesn't sound good. Not at all.
You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz.
Yeah, probably.
I gotta get out of this test somehow.
Here we go again.
I can pretend I'm sick.
You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway.
It's pretty hard to pretend that you broke, Dory.
Hi, I'm Dory.
Mikey, do we have to tell you every single time? Running away from problems just makes them. Running away from problems.
Please, Derek.
I've been running away from problems
Since first grade. Look where it's gotten me.
Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded at least 5 times. And what's your GPA again?
I don't want to talk about that.
At least what?
All right, look, I'm running out of time. All right.
Come on, Mikey. Face it. There's nothing you can do at this point.
Don't underestimate me. All right. Look, I'll figure something out.
Shut up! Why the f did you do it?
Do not turn these over just yet. Hey, you're supposed to use a finger, not your finger.
What?
All right, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep them down.
Some punk pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
I hope they got the guy that did it.
Last I heard. No, I don't even back.
I got it.
Mr. Wilson, can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Yeah, okay, Mikey. Just...
Go to Papa.
Hey, young man, you need help with something?
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
Cool. Can't believe you actually did.
I also didn't get caught.
Woo! Yeah, not yet.
Can I speak to you for a moment?
Yes.
What do you think they're talking about?
The better question is,
What do you think they're talking about? So my dad always says, running away from your problems just makes them. Running away from your problems.
well, my dad says that
Running away from your problems just makes them.
the moon made of cheese.
What's your point?
His point is to stop pulling more pranks.
You know what? Instead of being full, you guys are making me feel full.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Wilson, this Captain Stoll. He's going to be protecting everybody today.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today, so I need to gather some more info. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork, and then that's about all I can remember. Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the bathroom. Mikey, did you see anything?
Actually, I don't remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course. Follow me.
You too, Mikey.
Me? Why?
John. Any luck?
Yes, I actually was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off. Here we go. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
Lucky me.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Mikey, think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom. Then I went to Mr. Wilson's classroom.
Are you Principal Danvers?
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint kit. Now we can see who the suspect.
Principal?
Yes.
We didn't find any prints.
I got it. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm.
Guys, look!
We have come for your Vector.
That explains why there isn't any prints. He used a cheese dip to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey, how could you do that?
Please, just don't tell my mom. I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz,
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
No, Mikey, no, I just wanted to play a game with you all.
A game? Are you serious? You mean I did all this for nothing?
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
Mikey's actually gonna come with us.